Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn on and turn off the grid lines on a digital monitor with an RV camera. First thing you do is click on the menu button right here, and then you see all these icons. They're going to be yellow depending on what you are, right? So you're going to want to move it to the gear down here. You move it by pushing the plus and minus sign. Right? Once you're on the gear will turn from white to yellow, and then you click on the REC to enter it. Now we're going to click on the plus and minus again to get all the way down here to the grid lines. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that turned yellow, we push REC again. It turns red, and then you can turn it from off to on. Right? When the on turns yellow, that means you moved it to the on position. You click on the REC again. You click on menu to get out of it 2 times, and now you have the grid lines. To deactivate the grid lines, we just do the same thing again. We go into menu, we move down to the gear, as you can see here. I click REC. Then we're going to go down to the on button. I actually did a shortcut. I did the minus one. And I'm going to enter again by clicking the REC. Once that turns red, we're going to change it to the white. The on is now white, and the off is yellow, because the off is what we want. You click REC again. Then we click menu. And the grid lines are off. Thank you and have a great day.